In Scenario 210, we add the ability to add marketing campaigns to Scenario 200. Marketing is a very complex and critical business function. There are only a few things that are certain about a marketing campaign. 1. The expense for a marketing campaign comes off the bottom line. That means if you spend $30,000 on a marketing campaign, your earnings before tax will decrease by $30,000. It's only through the ability to sell more products or sell products at a higher price that we gain benefit from a marketing campaign, and that is much more difficult to estimate. Marketing is needed to generate sales, to create product awareness, and to grow a company and its product line. We don't know the impact of a marketing campaign, and it is very hard, even after the fact, to gauge the impact of a marketing campaign. Finally, the results of a marketing campaign can be tragic. If it is poorly thought out or offensive, it can actually damage the reputation of the product and the company. In Scenario 210, you have the opportunity to run marketing campaigns to increase awareness for your products and, as a result, increase sales. In this graph, you can see the impact of a $30,000 campaign for Alley Cat Ale. It will increase sales dramatically over the next 30 days of the marketing campaign. After that, the benefit will drop off as the impact of the campaign wears off. To execute a marketing campaign, select Marketing, then Marketing Campaign from the menu. You have the option to enter a description of the campaign. Here, we will enter Edgar Year-End Campaign. Select the product for the marketing campaign, then enter the amount to be invested in the campaign under Cost. Enter this value without dollar signs or commas. Here, we will enter $30,000. Then, select the start date for the campaign. In this case, we will select September 1st. This is when demand for Arborcrest's products begin to drop, so it may be good to increase marketing to maintain sales. Click on Launch Campaign, and a pop-up message says, Confirm Launching Campaign. This is because we are executing contracts to initiate the campaign, which cannot be canceled without penalty. Once we create a marketing campaign, in the simulation, it cannot be canceled. So be careful and double-check all your entries before confirming the creation of the marketing campaign. We have now set up a marketing campaign for Edgar Ale to begin on September 1st with a cost of $30,000. There are 3 important points to remember when creating marketing campaigns in the simulation. First, you cannot delete a campaign, so double-check your input values before creating a campaign. Second, you cannot have overlapping campaigns for a product. So if you create a marketing campaign for Edgar Ale on September 1st, you cannot create another campaign for Edgar Ale until October 1st. Finally, campaigns have to be at least $10,000 and no more than $50,000. To plan for the impact of the marketing campaign, you can assume that in the first month of the campaign, sales will be 18% above typical levels. In the second month, the sales will be 19% above typical levels. In the third month, the increase will drop to 8%, and in the fourth month and beyond, the increase will be 5%.